Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make eye-catching video thumbnails by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app, then tap on video. In here select the photo that you want to add as your thumbnail, and now tap on PIP and add another photo. Now I'm going to put the photo here like this, and then I'm going to extend it. Now between the photos I'm going to add mask, and then put the mask like this and position it like this, and then use the shadow, and in here I'm going to add text to make it more eye-catching. If you want more views in your video, you have to make a good thumbnail for this so that people can attract to your video easily. Now it's time to add a caption, and you have to add a caption that can attract as many people as it can. Now let's export it. In here you guys can see the thumbnail. So this is how you guys can make eye-catching video thumbnails by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.